Welcome to Success Whisper, the place where billionaires come to get inspired. Today, we're diving into the top 14 highest paying jobs you can rock entirely from home in 2025. Whether you're a tech whiz, a creative genius, or a master organizer, this video has something for everyone looking to level up their work from home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. By the way, in the end of this video, you will find a bonus tip. Let's get started. Software developers with an average annual income of $150,000, they are the rock stars of the remote work world. The demand for skilled software developers is exploding, and most of these jobs can be done remotely. We're talking six-figure salaries, flexible hours, and the freedom to work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. If you love problem-solving and learning new technologies, software development could be your golden ticket to a lucrative career. Next, we have data scientists, with an average annual income of $100,000. Data is the lifeblood of today's businesses, and data scientists unlock its secrets. They analyze massive data sets, identify trends, and help companies make smarter decisions. Data scientists are in high demand, translating into impressive salaries. With the rise of remote work, you can analyze data and build algorithms from anywhere in the world. If you've got a knack for numbers and a passion for problem-solving, data science could be your path to a high-paying career. Let's talk about digital marketing managers, with an average annual income of $120,000. Any business needs digital marketing gurus to manage their online presence and run targeted ad campaigns. Digital marketing thrives on remote work, allowing you to manage social media accounts and craft compelling email campaigns from home. As you gain experience, you can command impressive salaries. If you're a natural communicator with a passion for all things digital marketing could be your ticket to a lucrative career. Ever visited a frustrating website or app? UXUI Designers with an average annual income of $90,000 ensure that never happens. They create intuitive, user-friendly digital experiences that keep people coming back. UXUI Designers are in high demand and the pay is fantastic. Much of the work can be done remotely. If you've got a keen eye for design and a passion for creating seamless user experiences, UXUI Design could be your perfect match. Cybersecurity specialists with an average annual income of $110,000 are the digital superheroes, protecting our data and systems from hackers. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals has never been higher. These roles offer incredible earning potential and can often be done remotely. Virtual assistants with an average annual income of $90,000 handle a wide range of tasks for their clients, from managing emails to booking travel. You don't need special certifications, just a strong work ethic and excellent organizational skills. You can set your own hours and work with multiple clients, building a flexible and lucrative career. Businesses need engaging, well-written content to connect with their audience. And that's where content writers with an average annual income of $65,000. If you've got a way with words, content writing could be your ticket to a fulfilling and profitable career. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that align with your interests. Businesses rely on graphic designers with an average annual income of $50,000 to bring their visual identity to life. With the rise of digital media, the demand for talented graphic designers has skyrocketed. If you've got a creative eye and a passion for design, graphic design offers incredible earning potential and flexibility. Financial advisors with an average annual income of $85,000 help individuals and families achieve their financial goals. The rise of video conferencing has made it easier to provide financial guidance remotely. You can work with clients worldwide, build a flexible schedule, and potentially earn a high income. Medical coders with an average annual income of $65,000 translate medical procedures and diagnoses into standardized codes for billing and insurance. Medical coding is a highly specialized field that can often be done remotely. With the right training and certifications, you can earn a comfortable living in this recession-proof industry. Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. It offers incredible earning potential, reaching up $120,000 with the flexibility to work from anywhere. You can promote products that align with your interests and get paid when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Social media managers with an average annual income of $65,000 craft engaging content, manage social media communities, and run targeted ad campaigns. They're in high demand, with salaries reflecting the value they bring. Much of the work can be done remotely, allowing you to manage social media accounts from anywhere. Translators play a crucial role in bridging language barriers in an interconnected world. Businesses need to communicate effectively with people worldwide. The average annual income can reach up $65,000. If you're fluent in multiple languages, translation offers incredible earning potential and flexibility. E-commerce specialists build and manage online stores, develop marketing strategies, and optimize websites for conversions. E-commerce is booming, offering incredible earning potential reaching $1,500,000 and flexibility. You can specialize in a platform like Shopify or Amazon and help businesses succeed in online retail. Since you made it this far, here's a bonus for you: the 100 Hours Strategy.
The rule of 100 states that if you spend 100 hours in a year, which is 18 minutes a day, all of us, in any discipline, karate, violin, piano, whatever, if you spend 18 minutes a day, which is 100 hours a year, you'll be better than 95% of the world in that discipline. It's just the consistency of whatever you do more than anything else.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please tell us which job interests you the most and subscribe for more content. We've covered incredible remote job opportunities from software development to e-commerce. The future of work is flexible, and with the right skills, you can achieve your career goals from the comfort of your home. See you in the next video.